Let me show you how to make this cute little coin purse. What you will need for this project is 2 outer pieces of fabric, 2 lining, a zip, my free template that you can download from my website, scissors, pins, thread and sewing machine. Okay, come on in and let's get started. Pin 1 outer piece of fabric and 1 lining piece of fabric to your zip. So right sides together, put the zip in place, pin along the top, and now stitch. Do the same for the other 2 pieces of fabric. Once you finish sewing, iron back the fabric away from the zip. Your project should now look like this. We now want to pin right sides to right sides of both your outer bag and your lining fabric, and make sure that with your zipper teeth they are facing away from the main fabric, like so. So right round the bag I have left about a 3-inch gap at the bottom of my lining so that I can turn the bag through when I'm finished sewing. Remove your pins and snip away the extra bits of zipper. Now box your corners, lay bottom seams on top of side seams, pin in place, and we're now going to sew across the top and all 4 corners. Now turn your bag through that gap in your lining fabric, push out the corners and zip across the space that we left, just here. I've added a wee brooch on, and that's your finished purse. Plenty of room inside. As you can see, I've got my card, my keys and my cash,